Number 4 is prioritize in accessible environments.
Mhm.
So you want to make sure that you've got, a clear path to the bathroom. That there's nothing that's going to hinder you from getting there in a timely manner. Making sure that if you need grab bars around the toilet, that there are grab bars installed.
Just for safety.
Yeah, for safety.
Yeah, and easily removable clothing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. If you've got pants that are too tight or
Yeah.
can't get the button unbuttoned or things
Zip
like that,
unzipped.
that increases incontinent episodes.
Yeah.
Um,
And if there's something, things, something else to consider is a bedside commode. I mean, if it's something that's really urgent or something, that's the incontinence is really, I don't know, it's really severe, maybe.
Yeah.
Consider putting a bedside commode just through the night.
Right.
You could
Right.
put a bedside commode next to your bed, and that way, you'd be able to, whenever the urge hits you, to be able to get up and go to the restroom right there at the bedside commode, and then just worry about cleaning it up in the morning.
Yeah, and the thing is with the bedside commode is as a physical therapist, as a healthcare worker,
Yeah.
if you think about the fact that if you have urgency to get to the bathroom, and if that's happening multiple times a night,
Yeah.
and you're having to rush to the bathroom,
Yeah.
that is increasing the risk for falls.
Right.
So that's when I really say, let's really think about that bedside commode.
Yeah.
So that we reduce, the number of times you're making that trip to the bathroom,
Yeah.
which again is just increasing the fall risk.